Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off promotional emails in Webull. If you're tired of receiving too many promotional emails, bonus offers, or marketing notifications from Webull, this quick tutorial will show you how to turn them off directly from the Webull mobile app. First, unlock your phone and open up Webull application and make sure that you're logged in. From the main menu of Webull, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon. Inside the menu button, click on Settings. Under Settings menu, tap on General. Inside the General tab, scroll down to Promotion Notifications and tap on it. On the next page, to turn off the promotional emails, simply find the switch right next to each options and disable them one by one. After you do that, you'll then be able to stop receiving promotional emails or marketing emails on Webull. You can always turn these options on by repeating this step, so that is how you can easily stop receiving promotional emails in Webull mobile application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.